put the spotlight on you guys with Lumary landscaping spotlight. This is another great Amazon findings. So if you want to put the spotlight on your house or a backyard, or if you're having a party or it's Halloween or even the holidays, or you just can't see your front door, you can control it now with Lumary's app. It's not only for Google Player, but you can also set it up with Apple. This is wonderful. That's the remote control. It's so easy to use, has so many great settings. You plug it up, there's the outlet, and you can add an extension to it. That is the manual right there, you guys. It's very, very detailed color pictures, very easy to understand. All right, you guys, it did not come packaged like that. It came really wrapped, really nice with the bubble tape and everything. Nothing was broken. I'm just double checking and making for sure all the lights are working properly before I install them. And I'm loving how long it is. This is great. The quality of it, it's all made out of metal too on top of it. I got a total of 6. That's what was in the box. And even the stake part is made and designed out of metal as well. It came with the actual remote control attached to it, but a remote control for your hand as well too. And you can control it from your cell phone. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna wait. The sun is setting, but I'm just gonna wait till it gets dark so you guys can see these things light up and all the different colors will light. And I'm so excited to get this, but I don't think where I have it, I'm gonna actually keep it here. This is just for the moment, just to see how it works. And then I get an extension cord and probably like put it behind the hill over there or something, you know? Wow, the sun is strong. These landscaping lights are amazing. This is so pretty. I love that it can go to music. I love that it changes colors and you can just play with it for your phone as well. Remote control and from the actual control of the extension. I just have to figure out exactly where I want it at in the yard. But boy, this is so adorable and it's bright. I love that rain and weather resistance. It's just really great quality. This is a must-have for your next party. The link is down below.